Welcome to our channel. Today we how to automate wallet backups with Gemini, beginner guide step by step clearly. To automate wallet backups with Gemini, you'll first need to ensure you have your Gemini account set up. Log into your Gemini account using your credentials. Navigate to the security settings, which can typically be found in your account dashboard. Look for the option regarding wallet backups or cryptocurrency management. Once you locate the wallet backup feature, click on it to access the settings. You'll need to enable the automatic backup option. Decide how often you want your backups to occur. Choose between daily, weekly, or monthly backups based on your activity and preference. Next, select the storage location for your backups. This could be cloud storage or a local device, depending on your convenience and security needs. After selecting your location, make sure to confirm that your backup files are encrypted. This adds an extra layer of security to your sensitive information. Once everything is set up, review the backup schedule to ensure it meets your needs. If you're satisfied, save your settings to activate the automated backups. It's beneficial to periodically check to confirm that your backups are actually being created successfully. Keep an eye on your notifications for any alerts or issues related to backups. If you encounter any problems, refer back to the Gemini Help Center for troubleshooting tips. Consistent wallet backups are crucial to safeguard your assets. With this setup, you can confidently manage your cryptocurrency without the worry of losing access. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.